Despite the Senate shelving the impeachment complaint against Vice President Sara Duterte, the House prosecution panel is still pushing to revive it, challenging the Supreme Court's ruling that struck it down as unconstitutional. Here is a report.
The fight isn't over yet. That's a statement of House Prosecution Panel spokesperson Attorney Antonio Bucoy after the Senate archived the impeachment case against Vice President Sara Duterte. This is because there are still motions for consideration filed to overturn the Supreme Court's decision declaring the case unconstitutional. Bucoy insists that the Supreme Court's ruling was completely wrong.
Mali mula letrang A hanggang letrang Z. Mali. Hindi batay sa katotohanan, kontra sa ebidensya, kontra sa batas. Hindi kami susuko na porke in-archive na tapos na ang boxing. Umaasa pa kami na pakikinggan kami ng kataas-taasang hukuman. May pagkakataon pa, meron pang chance na dinggin kami.
But if the Supreme Court stands by its ruling, the House will likely comply. Bucoy said they do not want to trigger a constitutional crisis.
Sasabihin ng Supreme Court, hindi, tama kami. Hindi ko namin susuwayin yan. Susundin namin yan. The House will not cause the constitutional crisis. The catalyst for the constitutional crisis will never be caused by the House.
If that happens, House Deputy Speaker and Iloilo Representative Janet Garin said it's still unclear what the chamber's next move will be.
I leave it to the members, all the members of the 20th Congress, no? Kasi sa ngayon lahat nag-uusap-usap, no? And syempre iba ang stand ng minority, iba naman ang stand ng majority. So these are things that we need to discuss, we need to balance and come up with concrete statements.
But if the court reverses its ruling and grants the House's appeal, Bucoy said the Senate should revive the impeachment case against the Vice President. He also rejected claims that the impeachment issue is anti-Duterte.
Ang motivation ng impeachment ay hindi naman para kontra Sara kontra katiwalian. Ito po ay sinusulong dahil sa pananagutan. Ang usapin ay ang kanyang krimen laban sa bayan. Panagutan niya. Hindi pa ho pinag-uusapan dito yung 2028. Walang katuturan dito yung politics.
Meanwhile, Davao City Vice Mayor Baste Duterte said he respects his sister's critics.
It's okay, it's a democracy. So yeah, they can say whatever they want. If you don't have the numbers, you can't have the cake. You can have the prize, okay? So that's it. So you can say whatever you want.
But he insists that the impeachment bid is rooted in politics.
I'm going to say what I said before, and from the beginning, it's a political scheme. It's a smear campaign against the Vice President.